YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Listen, you guys, listen. Wait a minute. You guys, listen. You guys gotta holla at me for a minute. Holla at me.
Hey, can I holla? Can I holla at you? Can I holla at you? Can I holla?
Holla at me. I've been nominated for a Grammy at the CIPPER Expo. What I need you guys to do before I start this tutorial, what I need you guys to do one time for me is to hit the link in the description below. Hit that CIPPER Expo link where it says vote. And I want you guys to cast your vote. Vote for me. Okay, for YouTube sensation, okay? It's been a long time coming, okay? And I've been fighting all this time for my name on YouTube. I've been putting in the work, so please, vote for me. Chris, what's good? What's good? Talk to me.
Why you laughing? You laughing like that?
Because I'm making a video right now, and I'm sitting here telling the people, please, vote for me, please.
Yo, real talk. That's why I'm calling you, bro. I just want to congratulate you, man. Let you know, bro. Yo, real talk. We've had conversations about this, man, and it's dope to see that there's even a YouTube category.
Right.
We've been the guys in the back of the room for so long, bro. So,
right. Hey. Yeah, you nominated for 2. That's big ups, man. What was it? Education?
Educator of the Year and YouTube Sensation, yeah.
Yeah, I already casted my vote. I'm gonna keep it completely honest. I didn't vote for you on the YouTube Sensation. I had to go for myself on that one. I had to be real selfish on that one.
I told my wife, I'm like, Jeezy got me on that one. So hopefully I get Educator. Hey, but you know what? I was just talking to Get Bean, bro, and he said it the best, bro. Just the fact that we have our own category, I don't care who wins, bro. I'm gonna be running to that stage,
right?
Like congratulating whoever wins, man, because it's dope, man. So
right, definitely,
it's dope.
Definitely.
So, just want to congratulate you, bro.
Appreciate it, Chris. Congratulations to yourself, man.
Thank you, bro. All right, brother.
All right. Hey, but on a real note, you guys. Now I'm gonna keep it all the way real when I say this, all right? Vote for me, YouTube sensation. Vote for Chris Bossio, Educator of the Year, okay? I'm just gonna say that right out the gate, okay? I do feel like I deserve this YouTube award, okay? I'm just saying, okay? But Chris got 2 categories. I only got 1.
Help me! Help me!
Okay, so go vote for Chris Bossio for Educator of the Year. Okay, do that for me. Okay, but Chris, let me tell you, I got this YouTube one. Let me have this. Let me have this one. 360 Jeezy. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is set in my bald line using my Ended Slimline Pro LIs. Now I'm going to set it in kind of contour to my client's head. I never like to set like a straight line throughout the whole entire head. I always like to put a curve to my guidelines. So to make your haircut somewhat unique, try to set in your guidelines that fit the client's head. So I'm just gonna bald out the rest of the bulk at the bottom using my Wall Magic clips. With my Wall cordless 1919s, with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch. I'm kind of flicking out because I don't want to set in a harsh guideline because I want to be able to take out that middle guideline with my zero guard closed, easily. So with my one guard open, I'm going up that same width about 1 inch, still flicking out, making sure I don't create a harsh guideline. So with the 2 guard, I'm gonna make another guideline about the same width. I'm going straight up, making sure I do not dig in to the top of the ridge. So after that 2, I'm gonna do some clipper over comb. Now my client does not want a hard part, so I'm just gonna make sure I get this shape right. I'm sticking the comb in between the hair, you know, just looking at the sides, taking off all of that excess hair that is sticking out of the comb. And basically you gotta visualize this as a high top. You know what I mean? If you guys are familiar with doing coarse hair and you know you run that clipper straight up, just in straight hair, the hair sticks out and you got to use that comb and kind of cut it off and look side to side as if you're cutting a high top. So with the 0 guard close and a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now, if you gotta open up the lever to, you know, attack it first just to soften it up, sometimes I do that just to, you know, just for precautionary measures. If I don't really know the hair type, I do it just to take them baby steps. So if you guys are beginners, that's a quick tip. Open up the lever first and then close it. In a flick out motion with the lever closed, flick out that bottom line. Now remember, as you go up, to adjust your lever. So the next thing that I like to do always after I, you know, set my guidelines in and I blend those, you know, guidelines out, I like to do some detail work. I got on my 1 guard right now, just getting in those areas where I see patchy areas or I see bulk, see where it's not really flowing right. Then I slap on different guards as I go down. And yeah, detail work is really important. You want to make sure you take a look away from the blends, rest your eyes at something else, or even look in the mirrors. The mirrors help as well. So I usually do this after I set in my bald line, but I'm just going to use my Bronze Series 9 to clear up that bottom, making it razor bald. So here I'm just saturating my client's hair with water, getting it wet so that I could do some shear work on top. So here I'm gonna do some shear work. I'm gonna start in the front. I'm gonna take off about an inch, and I'm gonna use that guideline in the front and just travel it back, right? And then I'm gonna go on the other side, do the same thing. just gonna blow dry and style by using my styling comb. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to Hustle Dreams Productions. His YouTube channel will be in the link in the description below. If you like any tools that you've seen in this video and you want to know where to get them, you can find them in the link in the descriptions below as well. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chit!